The Interreg CARES project is expected to strengthen our health information systems so that we can have better cooperation. Lots of treatments are not available in some of our OECS member states. So I'm excited that this project will help to fill some of these gaps.
The Health Agency of Guadeloupe, Saint-Martin and Saint-Barthélemy is the pilot of this project. It's going to be 17 concrete projects until 2020 for 6 million euros. And the partners around this project are OECS member states, but also the French territories like Martinique, Guadeloupe or Saint Martin, for example.
The Interreg project is particularly relevant for patients requiring technical medical support that are not available in some territories. So the French health system can provide training for foreign colleagues.
The Hospital University of Martinique is engaged in 5 projects among the 17 projects of CARES about oncology, emergency cares, about the elderly, and we are trying to have a kind of co-construction of a unique and Caribbean patient pathway